11 miles on it.
11 miles on it.
Back in 2000 was featured in Foxbody Mustangs.
Oh, really?
Park your cars anywhere, and then you guys gather, talk, whatever. You're gonna have a spirited, fun time, but please, there's cops, there's other people getting hit on motorcycles, people going around a corner too fast and hit someone. So please, I mean, we got rain already. If you were here last year, we had rains and floods here. Let's just try to have a safe day.
How's it going, man?
Yeah, man, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. It's a nice Fox, man.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
It's brand new.
Seriously.
Original owner bought it with 11 miles on it.
11 miles on it.
Yeah. So I bought it November 11th of 93. Is the 94s were coming out, so I was kind of torn if I should go new. So yeah, I've had it now since that. Yeah, it's just been, don't drive it much, but you know, it's nice getting it out.
No doubt, man. She is beautiful.
Yes, thanks. Tons of changes.
I can tell.
Back in 2000 was featured in Foxbody Mustangs magazine.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's been with me the entire time.
Okay. So, Punisher, huh?
Yeah, I just figured I'd do something a little different. I've had the 5.0 on there. I've had the new style GT.
I think that's tight, man.
Thanks. Like I said, I just want something different. You know, and a 331 filter kit on there, supercharged. It's fun, you know, they're like openers.
Yeah, exactly. I like the hood.
Thanks. Yeah, it's a Cobra R style.
Cobra R style hood?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you have here?
So, Vortex supercharger, 331 stroker kit. When I did it, I had the engine pulled. I had it all professionally painted, so the paint wouldn't start peeling.
Right,
For a few
right.
years.
Is that a V3?
Actually, I think it's a V1. Yeah, V1.
V1, okay. Okay.
Yep. I put that on there back in like 95.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, she's gorgeous, man.
Thank you.
Absolutely
Thank you so much.
gorgeous. Just a quick shout out to Sleazy's Garage. Thanks, brother, for sending me this wonderful merch, as well as this sticker. Man, you all should really check out his channel. Why? Because he's a DIY enthusiast. He does great work in his garage. So check him out. Thanks again, brother. brother Tom. Good to see you, brother. That's brother Tom right there. Brother Tom.
Here in hell, James is here, he belongs in hell. Maybe you do too.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate you.
Sure, I appreciate you. Motor City Foxfest, Motor City Foxfest.